Sri Siva Subramania Nadar College of Engineering 2020. Established in 1996, this college stands at the 44th rank in the NIRF ranking of 2020. The college we're featuring today has been accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council with an A+ grade, along with the National Board of Accreditation courses. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we're taking a look at Sri Siva Subramania Nadar College of Engineering's student stats, courses, its performance in graduation, placements, median salary, top recruiters, the infrastructure, and of course, the fee structure. Click on the subscribe button and bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and so much more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2020 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. Teaching, Learning and Resources. Under Teaching, Learning and Resources, let's have a look at SSN's approved intake, student strength, faculty information, and financial utilizations. SSN College of Engineering has an approved intake of 960 UG and 216 PG seats. The institution has a total of 4,162 engineering students studying across all years. SSN has 253 faculty members, out of which 79.44% hold a doctorate. With that, the college maintains a faculty-to-student ratio of 1 faculty member for every 16 students. Last year, 36 of the faculty members received highly reputed national and international awards. Also, 99 students have won international awards in the previous year. The institute spent 4.9 crores as capital expenditure. The major share of 54.69% was spent on the creation of capital assets. The operational expenditure for the last academic year was 93.31 crores, where a major portion of 66.37% was spent on salaries. Considering all of this, SSN College of Engineering has scored 66.01% in Teaching, Learning and Resources, which contributes to 30% of the overall NIRF score. Research and Professional Practice. Under this segment, let's have a look at the PhD students, patent details, and funds received through various projects by the SSN College of Engineering. SSN published 13 patents, however, none of them were granted. The institution has 542 students pursuing a PhD, out of which 44 PhD scholars graduated last year. From 41 sponsored projects, the college has received a sum of 3.55 crores as sponsored research funding, and 31 consultancy projects have brought in over 1.64 crores as consultancy project funding. With this, SSN has scored 31.1% in research and professional practices, which contributes to another 30% of the NIRF score. Graduation outcomes. Here, let's analyze the institution's graduation and placement percentages along with salary packages and top recruiters. UG. The college offers 8 undergraduate courses. Considering the UG graduations from all the engineering departments, among the 927 final year students, 787 graduated within the minimum stipulated time. This gives the institution a graduation percentage of 84.9%. From these graduates, 123 students chose to go on and study further. Among the 664 students eligible for placements, 642 got placed in various top companies, leaving a placement percentage of 96.68%. These placed students were given a median salary package of 4.4 lakhs per annum. Over the years, SSN's performance in graduations has slightly dropped while the placements have improved. The college provides 10 post-graduation courses, and you can visit the link below for detailed information on the same. Recruiters. Some of the leading companies that hire students from SSN are Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Tata Consultancy Services, Ashok Leyland, Ford, Facebook, and Spotify. With this, SSN has scored 63.81% in graduation outcomes, which contributes to 20% of the NIRF score. Outreach and inclusivity. Under this category, let's see how SSN College of Engineering is culturally diverse. The college unites 4,162 students with cultural diversity on the campus. 3,608 of the students are from within the state, 507 are from outside the state, and 47 are from abroad. The overall engineering student count includes 61.27% of boys and 38.73% of girls. With this, SSN has scored 53.47% for outreach and inclusivity, which contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Perception. Under this topic, let's see the perception about the college from the public and its peers. The college has earned a good reputation over the years. With this, SSN College of Engineering has scored 20.25% in perception from the public. Perception contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Comprising all the scores under various parameters, this college has an overall score of 49.26%. Admissions. Selection is solely based on merit. Selection of candidates is carried out based on the Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions Counselling. Location. SSN College of Engineering is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The nearest railway station is the Purachi Thalaivar Dr. MGR Central Railway Station, which is 42.9 kilometers away. The nearest airport is the Chennai International Airport, which is 39.7 kilometers away. Campus life. The lush green campus of SSN College of Engineering is spread over 250 acres. The institution has specialized labs for various streams of engineering, hostel facilities, cultural clubs, counseling centers, incubation centers, sports annexes, and various other facilities. SSN's library has over 1 lakh books that serve all the knowledge needs of students as well as faculty members. Professional level facilities are available for a wide variety of indoor and outdoor games, supported by qualified coaches. There are well-equipped fitness centers for both boys and girls. SSN supports and funds over 20 clubs and activities. The college conducts an annual cultural fest called SSN Instincts with a variety of events. Fee structure. The approximate fees for UG students per semester stands at Rs 92,000. Please note that the fee structure mentioned here is subject to variation. The overall fees for an undergraduate course stands at 7.36 lakhs. And recruiters offer a median salary of 4.4 lakhs for graduates from this institute, which means that you can earn back your fees paid in 2 years or less. We've come to the end of this video. At this point, let's conclude by analyzing where this college has performed well and where it needs some improvement. SSN has performed well in the overall placements. The college needs to show improvement in its research projects. The institution also needs to work on its faculty-student ratio. There you have it. That's all you need to know about the SSN College of Engineering. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.